Hello students, how are you? Okay, today I am going to explain all the exercise of chapter number 1 computer system. Okay, computer system chapter number 1. Okay, so please let's start. First is a exercise. First of all of you tell me how are how was going lockdown holidays. Okay, very good. Okay, stay home and be safe. Don't go anywhere. Okay, and also remember it, don't shake hand. Okay, and suppose that if you go outside of the home, then also keep one hand sanitizers with you. Okay, using the hand sanitizer, you clean your hand wash. Okay, now in the section number 1 objective type question, this is a solved exercise, there is no need. Okay, this is a solved, fill in the blanks also solved, true and false also solved, this is the answer. Then section number 2 theory question, this is also solved. Okay, also solved. Next section number 3 application based questions, also solved. Now start from here, section number 4. Okay, section number 4, I am going to start from the here, section number 4. Which number 1 application based questions, which type of computers do Indian Railways use to interact with the customers for the various online functions like booking, cancellation, showing the current status and so on. Okay, which type of the computer here? Then answer is a main frame, answer is a main frame computer. Okay, in number 1 right answer mainframe computer. Okay, next question is a I am a perfect combination of analog and digital computer. I accept analog signals, convert them to digitals and process them in digital form. Who am I? ठीक है, एक ये क्या कह रहा है, परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एनालॉग एंड डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स का। तो परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन को होता है ए प्लस डी इक्वल टू एच, हमने बताया था आपको ना, ए प्लस डी इक्वल टू एच मीन्स हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर, एच मीन्स हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर, हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर. Okay, number 2 answer is a hybrid computer. Okay, now number next is a 3, Rahul is working in the National Research Center which predicts natural climate, natural climate like earthquake, tsunami. It is which type of computer is used in this kind of research? Okay, क्या रहेगा आंसर इसमें? सुपर कंप्यूटर, सुपर कंप्यूटर. ओके, सुपर कंप्यूटर. ओके, नंबर 3 में सुपर कंप्यूटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, मिस खन्ना is a professor of English in a university. She has to keep herself updated with the latest research in her field. She is not comfortable in using a keyboard. Which type of computer will you suggest her? Consider the nature of her job and preference. यहाँ पे क्या करें, मिस्टर खन्ना जो है क्या नहीं कर पा रही, उनके लिए कीबोर्ड जो है, कीबोर्ड पे काम करना उनके लिए कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. तो एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर लाना है जिसमें कीबोर्ड ना हो. तो क्या आ जाएगा आंसर यहाँ पे नंबर 4 में? टैबलेट पीसी, टैबलेट पीसी. आंसर नंबर 4 टैबलेट पीसी, TABLET पीसी, टैबलेट पीसी. पीसी मीन्स पर्सनल कंप्यूटर. ओके, नाउ नंबर 5 is a, okay, I am a component of CPU which performs logical operations. Identify me. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई मी, तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे ALU हो जाएगा। आंसर नंबर 5 क्या हो जाएगा ALU, अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज अ सेक्शन 5 short answer type questions. Okay, number 1, what are the basic organization of computer system? तो क्या होता है इनपुट यूनिट, CPU एंड आउटपुट यूनिट। क्या होता है इसका है बेसिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा आपका इनपुट, ओके, CPU एंड आउटपुट। ओके, these are three basic organization of computer system. Next question is a mention the three components of a CPU. mention the three components of a CPU. तो थ्री कंपोनेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं, एक आपका हो जाता है ALU हो जाता है, फिर आपका CU हो जाता है और देन आपका MU होता है। these are the three components of CPU, ALU, CU and MU. Next question, what are the major strength of computers? Name them. What are the major strength of computer? Name them. कंप्यूटर के मेजर स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या होते हैं उनके नाम बताइएगा। तो नंबर 1 क्या हो जाएगा उसमें लिखिएगा स्पीड, लिखिएगा SPEED स्पीड। एक्यूरेसी हो जाएगा आपका एक्यूरेसी, देन रिलायबिलिटी RELIABILITY रिलायबिलिटी, वर्सेटिलिटी एंड स्टोरेज STORAGE स्टोरेज। ओके, these are the major strength of the computer. Okay, now okay, speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility and storage capacity. Okay, storage capacity. Now next is question is a name the two types of primary memory. Name the two types of primary memory. Okay, primary memory you know RAM and RAM, two types होती है primary. Answer number 4. Okay, give a real life example of RAM and ROM. Next question is a 5, give a real life example of RAM and ROM. ध्यान दीजिएगा जो RAM का एग्जाम्पल है यहाँ पे वो क्या हो जाएगा ब्लैक बोर्ड, क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे ब्लैक बोर्ड, BOARD, ब्लैक बोर्ड। ओके, ब्लैक बोर्ड पे क्या होता है ना वी कैन राइट एंड आफ्टर देन इरेज इट। ओके, रीड, राइट एंड इरेज। ओके, देन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रोम इज अ CD-ROM, CD-ROM, one time write, read, again to again, we can't erase it. Okay, now next question is a number 6, which unit is used to measure the speed of a processor? Okay, which unit? Then answer number 6 is a hertz. Okay, hertz, HZ, hertz. Okay, कौन सा है hertz? hertz में जो है मापा जाता है। ओके, now next, name a storage device that is part of secondary memory. hard disk. What is a hard disk? Answer number 7 is a hard disk. Next question 8, which is the smallest unit of memory? Bit, BIT, bit. Okay, smallest unit of memory is a bit. Question number 9, what is the full form of BIOS? What is the full form of BIOS? BIOS का full form क्या होता है बेटा देखिएगा बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट, बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम। ओके, बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम, BIOS full forms. Okay, now next questions, name any two processor यानी चिप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज। ओके, नेम एनी टू प्रोसेसर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंप्यूटर। नंबर 1 इज अ INTEL, इंटेल, and number 2 is a IBM. Okay, number 2 is a IBM. Now next is a Question number 11, give three example of input and output devices. Okay, then input devices में नंबर वन आपको कीबोर्ड, कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड स्कैनर. ओके, इनपुट यूनिट में कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड स्कैनर. देन आउटपुट यूनिट, आउटपुट में प्रिंटर, ओके, मॉनिटर, देन स्पीकर. ओके, इनपुट यूनिट कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, थ्री examples, then output three example, printer, monitor, speaker. Okay, now next question is write any five characteristics of a computer. Write any five characteristics of a computer. Same a questions number 3, same a question number 3. Again write here speed. Answer number 12 is a speed. Characteristic of computer is a speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, and storage. Okay, these are the five characteristics of the computers. Okay, short answer questions complete. Now next is a section 6 long answer type questions. Long answer type question. Number one question, explain any two limitations of computers and characteristics of the computers. Now next, then start question number 6 from the here. Okay, question number 1, explain any two limitation and characteristics of computer. Two limitations of computer, are number 1, no thinking and decision making powers. No thinking and decision making power. Okay, number second, no feeling. This is the limitation. Now next, two आपकी characteristics of computer, speed, accuracy. Number 2 question, how are computers used in the field of research and education? Used in field of research, the computation required for launching a new satellite into space. Number 2, impact of nuclear test can be studied using the computers. Okay, now use in field of education, e-learning based education. E-learning based means मतलब online education. Number 2, study with audio and video content. Same as it is this. Okay, now next question is a number 3. Question number 3, how are computers used in the field of sports and military? Okay, use in field of sports. Okay, updation of scoreboards, recording speed of players, actions replays, and printing and selling of tickets. Okay, in military में to design and development of high-tech weapons for defense and security with CCTV cameras. Number 4, explain the importance of computer in the government sector and law enforcement. Okay, importance of computer in government sector. क्या क्या यूज है गवर्नमेंट से? कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज फॉर ऑफिशियल करेस्पॉन्डेंस, बजटिंग, अकाउंट्स, रिपोर्टिंग, पेरोल, अटेंडेंस, अपलोडिंग ऑफ वेरियस स्कीम्स, फॉर्म्स, ईटीसी. सेक्टर लाइक किन किन सेक्टर में? जैसे सेंसस हो गया, सेंसस ब्यूरो, इनकम टैक्स, एयरलाइंस एंड रेलवेज. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द importance of computers in law of enforcement. Computers can create matching photograph of criminals by using descriptions. यही होता है ना, मतलब फोटो बना मैच कराते हैं. एंड देन फेस मैचिंग एंड रिकॉग्निशन सॉफ्टवेयर, डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग टेक्निक एंड सीसीटीवी कैमराज. Number 5, what are the application of computers in engineering and manufacturing fields? Application of computer in engineering and manufacturing field architects and engineers take the aid of computer aided design and computer aided engineering for designing and manufacturing high quality product like cars and planes. Okay. Number 6 is the explain the explain the input process and output cycle for the withdrawal of 2000 rupees from your saving account using the ATM. Answer: situations, input and process output. Withdrawal of 2000 money from ATM. Okay. Input: insertions of ATM card number 1, then input pin code, then input money 2000, सॉरी मतलब 2000 200. ओके सॉरी मतलब 2000, यहाँ पे एक ज़ीरो और लगा दीजिएगा, यहाँ पे भी एक ज़ीरो और लगा दीजिएगा. ओके यहाँ पे भी एक ज़ीरो और बढ़ा दीजिएगा 2000 के पास में, यहाँ पे भी एक ज़ीरो बढ़ा दिए 2000. ओके देन प्रोसेस में प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ कार्ड इन ATM मशीन. नम आउटपुट कैसे? कलेक्शन ऑफ मनी. ओके differentiate between primary and secondary memory. Primary memory, it is the main memory of computer. It is also called internal memory. It has two types, RAM and ROM. Okay. Secondary memory, it is auxiliary of external memory of computer. It is used for high storage data. Okay, as like a hard disk, CD oblique, DVD and pen drive. Okay. Next question is a what is CPU? Explain the different parts of CPU. Okay, CPU, a central processing unit, also called a central processor or main processor, is the electronic circuit within a computer that execute instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU perform basic arithmetic logic controlling an input-output operations specified by the instructions in the program. The computer industry used the term central processing unit as early as 1955. CPU consists of three parts. CPU consists of three parts. कितने parts होते हैं? Three. Control unit CU, arithmetic logic unit ALU, memory unit means MU. Arithmetic logic unit. ALU is the unit of CPU that is responsible for performing R calculation both arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and well as logical and or not. Memory unit is used for stored data. Control unit, it controls overall operation of computer system. Okay, now next is question is what do you know about microcomputer? Explain any two types of microcomputer which you find in day to life. Okay, day to day life. A microcomputer is small, relatively inexpensive computer with a microprocessor as its central processing unit. It includes a microprocessor, memory and minimal output input-output circuitry mounted on a single printed circuit board. अब डे टू डे लाइफ में क्या एक्सप्लेन एनी टू टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. देन इज अ डेस्कटॉप. नंबर 1, desktop. A desktop computer is personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk or table due to its size and power requirements. Okay. Laptop. A laptop computer is a portable personal computer powered by a battery or an AC card plugged into an electrical outlet, which is also used to charge the battery. Laptops have an attached keyboard and a touchpad, trackball or isometric joystick used for the navigations. Okay. Now next last question is explain the most powerful category of computers. Okay. तो मोस्ट पावरफुल कैटेगरी कौन सी होती है? सुपर कंप्यूटर इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कैटेगरी ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. आ सुपर कंप्यूटर इज कंप्यूटर विद द हाई लेवल ऑफ performance as compared to general purpose computer. The performance of supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second instead of million instruction per seconds. Okay, then here your chapter number 1 is finished. Student student I want to request to you, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, any problem, then contact on my WhatsApp number. Okay, 8574103898. So please subscribe also beta. Okay, my channel. Okay, bye. Satya sir. Okay, thanks you. Good day and goodbye.